In this video, I will be demonstrating combination mirror knitting. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you here. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. If you're new to mirror knitting, it could be helpful to watch my prior mirror knitting videos on knitting backwards and purling backwards. I'll link those up above. Combination mirror knitting is knitting backwards while working both knits and purls. I've finished a right side row and I'm ready to work back, moving the stitches off the right needle onto the left needle. So using mirror knitting, my first stitch is a purl stitch. So I need to purl backwards. And then move my yarn to the back and knit the next stitch backwards. Move the yarn forward and purl backwards and move the yarn back to knit backwards. If instead I was holding my yarn in my left hand, like a continental knitter, still bring the yarn forward and purl backwards, and then move the yarn back to knit backwards. So that was a quick demonstration of combining stitches while mirror knitting. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.